Video log number 4. Okay, so what I've been doing since the last log was I actually created the daily summaries page. And what this page does is it just displays all of the items that have been bought since the program has been run. This is including between shifts as well, both night and day. And then it adds up the total and it displays the final amount of money that has been made. And this can be accessed at any time of the day since the program is on. So one of the problems which I've encountered so far is one that I really didn't think about much, and I'm just now starting to see it. So what happens when you click right now, when you click a table and then you enter the items that you want, that the customer wants, and then when you go to the payments page, so for example, table 1, all of the items would be displayed there. And then when you go back to table 2, the same items from table 1 would be displayed as well. And if you delete an item from table 2, you delete it from table 1, and so on. So so one possible solution that I've got right now is to create a separate array list for each individual table instead of creating one general one. And I don't know why I thought I didn't think of that before, but yeah, that's what I'm probably gonna do. And so in that array list, it would store all of the items that have been entered for table 1, table 2, and etc., etc. So yeah, that's my video log number 4.